Hey y'all, what's up? I gotta bootleg my hair back because it has so much product on it from being in that ponytail till I gotta wash my hair. But I first need some more conditioner. Because of course you run out of conditioner way before you run out of shampoo, or is that just me? So let's get a little organized. Let's get our day started. I need some chapstick and I cannot find any in this damn. Ooh, girl having girls. I was about to put some baby oil on my lips because speaking of, I cannot wait until I put my cameras and stuff up because all of this is about to stop. Because just what happens is they just go through my stuff and take it, and then you don't know who to blame because by then your stuff just gone. But oh baby, that's why I got me some indoor cameras. So I can see everything. But I was looking to see. Did I have some in there, but I don't. I need to. Let's boom, boom, boom. Y'all down. Yeah, so we're about to clean up this mess of office that we got. It's not really messy, it's just the last few things that I gotta do. Just get it like in tip-top shape. Just get it in tip-top shape. So that's what I'm doing. But yeah, I need chapstick so bad. I'm about to just, and I hate to seem like I'm just procrastinating on cleaning, going to the store just for chapstick, but like, what's I supposed to do? Maybe I put some of this maybe I put some moisture therapy on until I go to the store. My lips is chapped. Tina, that don't look nice. We don't want no white stuff around our mouth because we ain't got time for it. We ain't got time. But yeah. Okay, I feel on my lips a little bit. Yeah, let me write that on my list. My list is so long. I mean, it's not long, but it's getting there. It's half, yeah, it's getting there. So, I need to clean up this office. I got stuff everywhere. I don't even know where I'm gonna put the stuff. Or maybe I'll just start opening stuff and then that'll determine what. I'm gonna open my Ring doorbell. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah. So since it's gonna be a Ring doorbell, then this video will go up on the second channel. But where is my, cause that's all it is just stuff that I need to open. Oh, here it is. stuff that I need to open and then put up with where it belongs. Okay. So, girl, if y'all don't know, let me just give y'all the little details. So, I don't know what to call it. Girl, I was gonna be like an old bum ass lady broke in my house. I don't even think I'm gonna call her bum. I think like a old, like she wasn't mentally all together, clearly. So this lady, let me tell you how not together she was. This lady went to the back of my house. How she got to the back of my house, which is now the gate is locked, but I didn't have a lock. I didn't have a lock on the gate. The gate wasn't locked. So she went through my side gate and went to the back of my house. Daylight, broad daylight, like 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Knocked out the back window. Like, the window is made just like this window, but you can't see it because the things on it it has window panes. This one do too. All the windows in the house does. So it has window panes. This lady done bust out the entire frame of the window. Now that I think about it, what did she bust that out with? Oh, maybe she had a stick or something. So she done bust out the entire window. No. Not only did she bust out the entire window, this lady put my garbage can in the middle of the street. She came in, she took like a desk that I had, sat it outside. She took pictures off the wall. She just threw down TVs and busted the TVs and computers. The lady was still in my house when I came. The lady had chicken in the microwave. Okay, so my house came with a microwave, like above the stove microwave. So the microwave that I had, I just stored in the laundry room, just not in use, just sitting on the countertop. This lady took the microwave out of the laundry room, plugged it up in the den on the floor, went in the refrigerator, got chicken wings, and was making chicken wings in the microwave for her to eat. The lady was still in my house when I came. She hadn't left, wasn't planning on going nowhere no time soon. She just in here for hours. Like, not that I wanted her to leave with all my shit, but like, I don't understand. She had packed up some forks, some spoons. She went in my she went in my sock drawer, took some socks. It was like the weirdest. Like, if I would have came home and the shit would have been stolen that she took, it would have looked so weird. Like, filing a police report, the police would have been like, well, she left all the expensive shit and took, like, she took the spoons and forks out the kitchen. Like, I have a Chucky doll that's actually right behind y'all. He got a plastic knife in his hand. She didn't take Chucky, but she took his knife. Yeah, so that's why I said she wasn't like maliciously breaking in. She was mentally unstably breaking in, but she should have been locked up at a hospital or something. So that happened like in May or June, because I'm such a procrastinator that I'm like, got the doorbells and the security cameras and still haven't put them up yet. Still haven't called nobody to come put them up yet. So yeah, so I'm gonna do that this week though. But that was the mojo pusher. Like, I'm one of them people, like, I have a list of things I want all the time, like boo boo boo, like that. So, and this of course was something that was on my list, so just hadn't gotten to it, wasn't rushing, and this put a rush on it. So I ended up getting the Ring doorbell. So I got the Ring doorbell for the outside. Video doorbell looks like that. And then I got the indoor camera Ring doorbell that looks like this. That is a two-way. So they'll all be working on the same screen. But yeah. So, and I think I'm gonna get one more for my living room kitchen area, even though, like, yeah, one more for my living room kitchen area, because that'll be like the rest of the house. So I'm thinking this one for the den and like my room. This the Ring doorbell for the front door, and the den is the access to the second door. So let's unbox the goodies. Alrighty, y'all. So we have here the video Ring doorbell, the Ring indoor cameras. So we just gonna unbox the things and see what the things is like. They beat up my girl. When don't the mail carriers beat up your stuff anyway? Yeah, it's bigger than I thought it was. I thought it was like a little team. No, it's a nice size. Guess this is the instruction. I'm more than likely gonna keep the box over them. So here's a little packaging. What's up in here? What's up in here? So they got the little thing that you put on your window so the thieves can read that and just go on about their damn business. Just walk on past your house. Review, share, and download. Your new device comes with a free 30-day trial of Ring Protect video recording service. Ooh, like that. Download the Ring app. And here is what things. Just how to install it, which I thought about trying to install it, but I don't feel like fighting outside on the front porch. So I'm gonna just either call my brother or my children, granddad, more than likely my brother, because I don't want to worry my children. So here's what's in this portion. This is the Ring doorbell port. Then why you pushing the button? I don't know. And then, oh, this the install tools. So I guess all the tools you need to install it. I like when stuff come with all the tools, cause child, I don't be having that shit. Oh, okay. So they got the little thing so you don't hang it up crooked. Then we have screws galore. And then we have the charging cable for the battery. And then oh, that don't fit in there. I don't know what this fit in. Oh, so I guess if you have one of them things, girl, we most definitely gonna have to call somebody. Most definitely. So our next one is the indoor cameras. These I know I'll be able to set up. Oh. Okay, they smaller than I thought. These smaller, and I thought these was big. Look how big he is over him. And I thought he was gonna be bigger, but he not. He a little duck goose size. So cute. So that's the two cameras. And then here goes the power supplies and mountain hardware. The paperwork. Empty box. So here's the thing. Put on the window or whatever. Indoor camera. Download the app. You can mount it on a wall or a table or a shelf. Oh, that's why I was gonna get another one, because I ain't know you can mount this one on the wall, because I do want one on the wall. So, get the most from your ring protect something today. Bada boom. Power supplies and mountain hardware. Ooh. Okay, so we got 2 plugs. And then the screw. They said mountain hardware. All you need is screws to mount these. I might mount both of these then. Let's open. Y'all ain't nothing in there. It's just stuffing. I'm gonna make sure ain't nothing in here. Girl, cause you know they be having stuff taped inside the box, and then you been to throw it away, and then it had screws in it taped to something, girl. I learned during Christmas time to check the packaging. Okay. Oh, I think to mount it, you'll mount this piece so it comes loose from that bottom part. Y'all, it's so nice. What they say? Wall mounting. Unscrew this base and reinstall it to the rear. Oh. Yeah. Oh yeah, that base come off. Oh, with that screw. And then put it right here. I'm already trying to think of where I want to mount it. This little button, probably reset button, but there is my Ring doorbell, y'all. So here's my 2 indoor cameras, and then that's my doorbell. I can't wait to get everything put together, mounted, and done, because it just gives you a peace of mind when you leave home. Because when I leave home now, I still always have in the back of my mind, like, it's the house safe. It's, you know what I'm saying? I wouldn't have to worry about that with all this. I can just boom, look at the camera and ease my mind and continue on. So that's like, so happy. I'm gonna be so happy to put that up.